We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we wants to look for trade, especially for buy, let this one give us one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, which is this one. And exactly this is what we expected the price drop. Okay, because we mentioned we can expect this one turn to a flat for one more drop. By the way, there was no trade setup to look for sell unless we could have entry. I mean, we had if someone had entry below this, the correction. That's why we didn't add in our analysis because the way it was moving, we didn't expect to get the trade setup. The only thing says, as I mentioned, either having entry below this or here. Rather than that, there was no trade setup to look for sell. But we mentioned we're looking for price to drop. Okay. And as what we expected, the price drop, and even if we mentioned the price can retest the previous low. Okay, now we want to see what's the next if we move to daily chart. And again, we mentioned that we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we take the reversal. There is no much changes. And how about if I move to forward chart? All right, similar to what I mentioned based on 1 hour chart. And right now the price drop. From now, if we get any reversal for buy, this is what we're looking for and what we are more interested. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop someone, even there. I mean, cannot drop someone, as I mentioned. If still there is a possibility for the price drop, and even we retest the 0.07. But right now we don't have any trade set up to look for sell. And if you wants to look for the trade, if we get any reversal in terms of the risk and reward, can give us better trade setup similar to what we get here. That's mean for me if I wants to look for right now, I'm looking for this. If I get the reversal, I will take the trade for buy, and with the breakout of the stop, which is 0.14, I will start to manage. But if the price wants to drop, based on what I have right now, I don't have any trade setup to look for sell unless I see some trade setup for sell. It give me a confirmation for continuation. Okay. Anyway, if we move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, as what we expected, the price drop, and from now, if we get any reversal with the sharp move flag, we will take the trade, and with the breakout of this we start to manage. This is what we're looking for. First, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup. Second, we're looking for this flat, bigger flat. But again, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. Even if the price drop from here, we don't have any trade setup to look for sell, and we don't want to sell based on at the lowest price of this flat. Okay, and even if the price continue from here, we won't take the sell unless we see the breakout of this low as a sharp move. Mean the next flag we can consider to look for sell. But how about even if we get the flag, still we are within the range and the price haven't really tested the previous low. How about if the price retest and reverse? That's why if there is a continuation, any sell will be a short-term sell. But for us, even the price drop, this is what we are more interested, and we're looking for reversal. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.